Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to Jenga na Mhoho segment with me, Maggie Mohoho. And good morning. By the time you're getting the video, I know it will be in afternoon. So, good afternoon, also. So, today it's the continuation, and in fact, it's a very busy and big day for us because we are doing the concrete now on the fish pond. Yes. And this is the preparation. We are preparing to do the concrete. This is the biggest part of this project, but let's hope we'll execute and it will all go well. So stay tuned and walk with me as we do this. So as you can see here, we are laying down the form. Should I call it form? Yes. And the papers for the concrete, where the concrete will come, because you cannot pour the concrete direct to the sand. So we have to lay the paper and also do the wire. This wire instead of the iron, they're kind of expensive, and this structure is not that big. So we are using this mesh to strengthen the concrete. Okay. Also, we'll do waterproofing. I'll show you when we reach that part, because we don't want the water to be soaking to the ground, or rather to be leaking. Yeah. So here we are just laying the platform. Okay. So as you can see, this is the vibrator. The work of this vibrator, it helps to fill up the concrete in all the spaces, to fill them evenly, and that's why we have it. So don't wonder what you're doing. It's the work of the vibrator. Yes, you need to compact the concrete. That's the word I was looking for, to compact it, for it not to have gaps when you remove the formwork. Oh, yeah.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be?